So I just came to Torrey Pines and it's about 10-12 mile bike. I got the gloves on because it's freaking cold today. It's 40 degrees, but it's a beautiful day and I like to change my workouts all the time. So I go to the gym a lot, but I also like to go to the beach and I like to sit right behind me right there and just meditate. And that's how I usually start my day, twice a week. But with that being said, I'm gonna meditate right now. I cannot record myself because I don't have a tripod. And then we're gonna go back home and keep going with the day. Even though my hair is still wet right now, I just wanted to say that if you are considering improving yourself and putting money into yourself, getting a good haircut, going to a very good gym, and your clothes really matters where your money is gonna get compounded on, because just by going to the haircut place, and it was like 60 bucks, even though it might not sound a lot, but other places here it's like 20-30 bucks. I got connected with that barber and now he's gonna introduce me to all his clients. So if I get one deal from that, think about it, it's gonna pay for like 20 years of my haircut. So here are the plans for today. I'm gonna go and print some stuff out right now because I'm gonna door knock in an area where my client is interested. We put an offer, but we did not get it accepted. There was a cash offer that came and was much stronger than us. So I'm gonna go and door knock in a specific area for my clients, and that's what I feel like a lot of agents are not gonna do. I'm trying to be different than other agents, and that's why I'm trying to do whatever I can for my clients. He's looking between 2.5 and up to $4.5 million here in Del Mar, San Diego. So it's my job to find him a home, and I'm gonna do it off market. I'm currently printing some stuff out, but just wanted to show you the office, which is pretty nice. Pretty big. Also the cafeteria over there. I'm currently in Del Mar, and this is the neighborhood where my clients are interested in moving in. So what I like to do is I bring with me a flyer that gives you a market update and information about the area, and also letting them know that I have a buyer for them, and if they are interested working together, I can even do it off market, so we don't have to come up to the market with it. Some people like it, some people don't want their property to be on the market and just neighbors to know about it, but that's what I'm going to be doing for the next couple of months. I mean, for the next couple of hours. And then with that, hopefully I get a deal. It's all about consistency. I'm not expecting to get a client today, but if I do it enough times, I will. So I'm halfway done right now, but I wanted to show you some of the properties. Like for example, that one behind me is really nice. And there's a lot of new construction going on here. So either the property was built or they just fixed it up. It's a great indicator for the area. So I just finished door knocking 200 homes, 200 doors, and then my fiance just called me and she said, "Hey, where are you?" So I am meeting them right now. Who is this? Who is this? Hello, baby. Oi, hello. Are you excited to see me? Hello, baby. am currently now in Commer Valley, and I'm gonna be door knocking. Yes, you guessed it right, in Commer Valley. I'm gonna do about 200 doors right now. It's a full day of door knocking and creating content like this. I got off the phone with a client after I finished door knocking in Del Mar. Then they said that they're looking in Commer Valley between 2.5 to 5 million. So the homes behind me are in the 3 millions, and then there is another community here in Pacific Islands Ranch that I'm gonna be touring and door knocking that are between 4 million and 6 million. So let's go check out some homes right now. I am door knocking right now an area in Commer Valley, and my clients are looking to move in this area. They just want a one-story home. So even though there's many homes here that are two-story homes, they're still beautiful, and I'm trying to get him an off-market property. So I just finished going to home and having some more honey as a pre-workout. I want to go hit some chest, do a chest workout, hit the sauna, and then go to a network event. Deep down right now I'm very exhausted, but I told myself that this year is going to be the year where I'm going to make a lot of money, friends, and just keep hustling. Tesla is currently driving, and I'm looking at the road too, but I wanted to come up and say something because I feel like if it wasn't for this YouTube channel, if I didn't make a commitment for myself to record myself and journey and just show all the steps that I'm taking currently to have a better future in the future, I don't know if I would have gone to the event tonight. I am tired. I door knocked almost 400 doors today, and I know it might sound like all excuses, but physically I'm tired. But I know that I cannot let you guys down, and I cannot let myself down, because I told myself like this year is going to be different, like we all said to ourselves, and I really wanted to take more action. Imagine just talking to one person that can connect you to multiple other people, especially that event. That event has a lot of successful people, a lot of people in the real estate that I want to learn from and get connected with. So the point of this whole conversation and me just ratting about it is go and do things that make you feel uncomfortable. No matter how you feel, put your feelings aside, go take action, and you'll feel so much better, especially going to the gym. Just got to the car. It was a great meetup. I met about 6 new people, and they're all very good people, cool people. And I'm going to end the vlog here. I enjoy doing this. I'm going to keep pushing myself and showing you what a life of a real estate agent looks like. The bad, the good, the ugly, everything. I'm really excited for this year. There's so many cool houses gonna be up for sale, and I just wanna show you more of a day in a life, just raw footage, and take you on a ride with me, because I wish I started doing this a long time ago, and just looking at the development of myself. So with that being said, I hope you liked the video. If you want to see something else or you have any feedback, feel free to comment and share with people. It would really mean a lot to me. If you like the video, just show engagement, because I love seeing you guys. I'm still a small YouTuber, and I cannot wait to grow this channel and you guys join the ride. So until then, до свидания.